In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a user from QuickBooks Online, step-by-step tutorial. If you're cleaning up your account or removing access for someone who no longer needs it, this process is quick and straightforward. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct company and that you have admin or primary admin permissions, since only users with the right access can remove other users. Start in your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the small gear icon. This is your main settings hub, and it's where you can manage company preferences, subscriptions, and user access. If you're working in a browser, the gear icon should be visible on every page, so you don't need to navigate anywhere special first. From the menu that opens, select Manage Users. This section is dedicated to who can sign in, what they can see, and what they can do inside your QuickBooks Online company. When the Manage Users page loads, you'll see a list of all users tied to the account, along with their roles and statuses. Take a moment to review this list so you're certain you're removing the correct person. It's helpful to double-check the user's role and email to avoid accidental changes, especially if you have multiple users with similar names or permissions. Next, find the user you want to remove and click the small caret icon next to their name. This caret expands the options available for that specific user. From there, choose Delete. This action removes their sign-in access to your QuickBooks Online company, which helps keep your data secure and your user list tidy. Deleting a user does not remove the transactions they created. Their historical activity remains in your records for audit trails and reporting, so your books stay intact. A few quick tips as you work through this. If you don't see the option to delete, you may not have sufficient permissions, or the user might be a special type that has different rules. In that case, verify your role or check with your primary admin. If the interface looks slightly different from what you're used to, it may be due to updates or the version of QuickBooks Online you're using, but the path and labels are generally the same. And that's all there is to it. Click the gear icon, go to Manage Users, review the list, open the caret next to the right person, and select Delete. Your account stays organized, your access stays secure, and your records remain intact. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your QuickBooks Online users with confidence.